Make a great choice today with the 2020 Civic Si. The Honda Civic Si is a perfect combination of sporty looks and performance to match. Sports seats, red accents, and a touchscreen deliver you the look and feel you expect when getting behind the wheel of the Civic Si, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.